Why are there not more people talking about the best Python IDEs for Android in 2024? Well, let's change that. Here's the scoop. First up, we have PyDroid 3. It's a powerhouse with a full-featured IDE, code editor, interpreter, and tons of libraries. User-friendly and versatile, it's perfect for your Python needs. Next is termux. Not an IDE per se, but a terminal emulator that runs Linux packages on Android. Install Python, use editors like Nano or Vim, and you're good to go. CuPython 3 is another great option. It includes an interpreter, editor, and supports multiple projects. Python 3 compatibility, check. Then there's Pyonic IDE. With syntax highlighting, code completion, and SL4A integration, it's a complete Python development environment for Android. Lastly, Decoder Compiler IDE, a general-purpose coding app that supports Python, offering a mobile-friendly environment with syntax highlighting and compilation. Remember, choosing the right IDE depends on your needs. Try a few and see which one fits your workflow best. Happy coding!